Child, have you washed your hands after coming from market?
Dad, do not forget to take your mask and sanitizer before going to your office.
We have been hearing these since long. So Mahi, aren't these enough to guess the topic for what we are here?
Yes, Archit, we are here, of course, for spreading awareness for COVID.
The coronavirus too smoothly has spread from person to person, town to town, and country to country in all parts of the world. Any one of us can catch it, spread it, and get sick. When person infected with coronavirus breathe, talk, or sneezes, tiny droplets of millions of viruses spread in air and land on everything nearby. We breathe them in and they land in our mouth, nose, and eye.
In these torrid times, our doctors have been serving day and night, like the soldiers who guard our borders to protect millions of lives. It has been an emotionally and physically exhausting journey for doctors, both at professional and personal level. Also, police officers worldwide are risking their lives and paying ultimate price to keep our families, homes, and communities safe.
This pandemic taught us various life lessons, which includes first, family and friends come first. Spending time with our immediate loved ones has taken center stage now. Second, hobbies are healing. From cooking and knitting to painting and learning a new language, our renewed enthusiasm for pastimes has helped to charge our health batteries. Third, our minds matter. While the COVID 19 pandemic has prompted newfound worries, it has also forced us to slow down and evaluate how we cope up with stress. Has this resulted in a desire to learn yoga, meditation, or mindfulness?
COVID 19 vaccination is now offering a way to transition out of this phase of the pandemic. The Government of India has started a vaccination drive to take India out of this pandemic. So let's discuss about its importance. First, COVID 19 vaccinations are effective. They can keep you away from getting and spreading the virus that causes COVID 19. Second, COVID 19 vaccines also help keep you away from getting seriously ill even if you do get COVID 19. Third, getting vaccinated yourself may also protect people around you, particularly people at increased rate for severe illness.
COVID 19 public health awareness is the most effective tool to protect this crisis. Public health awareness helps and reduces the intensity of spreading rate, and precautionary measures are required to control this pandemic disease. In this information age, public health awareness is the key to minimize casualties, and librarians and information professionals can play a vital role to disseminate the information with healthcare workers, society, and communities.
So, we would like to end this with a beautiful thought said by Martin Luther. There is a stone of hope in mountains of despair. Enjoy your life and appreciate what you have. Just think about the fact that there are people in the world with less. Be happy and positive for everything around you, and you will become a stronger person. Hope you enjoyed. Stay home, stay safe.